What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda. If you want to drink more water, this might help you out. And that's because it's a water bottle. It's by UZ Space, and I just picked this up because it actually reminds me maybe of the Zori water bottle that I have, which I really, really love. And I wanted another one, but instead of getting the same one, I thought, why not try something else? So just picked this up, and this UZ Space water bottle is really cool. I picked it up in orange. It does come in some other color combos. You can see it's, you know, a plexiglass, not plexiglass, that's not right. It's like a polymer impact plastic here. And we have some, looks like Chinese writing on here. We also have like a silicone band here, which gives you a little grip, which is kind of nice. I actually like the fact that it's flat and straight all the way around so that it can rotate. Some of them like have a tab, and then when it comes out, it's really obvious that it came out. Right here we have a plastic ring, a polymer ring that goes around the neck that's permanently installed, and then a wrist lanyard. I do like that. You can see actually it looks like the lanyard piece is even removable, so you can take it off if you don't want it. That actually worries me just a little bit because now I have a fairly weak piece of plastic right there, but as you can see the logo's on there, and it does have a really big wrist strap. I can get it around even my chunky wrist. I'm probably never gonna get this thing off. There we go. And you have graduated markings on the side here, up to 1,000 milliliters, maybe just a smidge more. So you get a nice big water bottle. It's easy to grip. It's a little thinner than the Nalgene bottles that you might be more familiar with, but it's a little longer, and so that's how they make it a little bit more handleable. Now, up here on the top is what really sold me. So what you can see here is we have a little softer plastic and a little harder plastic. The red is a little softer, maybe not a lot softer, it's still hard. And then the black is like a hard plastic, but we have a clear top right there, and you can see it is like a flip top. So how does it work? If I push this button down, you can see it releases the top open, and then I have a drink spout and a breathing hole right there, and you can see they both get plugged with like a silicone stopper, so you don't have to worry about things coming out. So I really love that. That has been what sold me, especially on that Zori water bottle. Especially if you're tired, you're hiking, you don't want to screw off a top, you don't want to kind of push with your fingers to unplug the top. This little button right here, boom, just like that, is killer. Now, I want to show you, because they've thought about maybe an accidental discharge, and this little you know, what do you call it, retainer hook here snaps into place. Now I hit this and it's going to hold that cap down, so you don't have to worry if you want to lock it, you know, you've got it on your hip, on your back, or whatever, that it's going to pop open, you're going to lose all your water. You can make sure that it's going to only open when you want it to open. So anyway, I think this is a really nice looking water bottle. Again, it's under 20 bucks, but a nice water bottle is not inexpensive, and so BPA free. So if you want to pick this up, I would highly recommend it. I really love these water bottles for all sorts of purposes. Actually, I'm gonna just take the top off here quickly so you can just see what it is, what it looks like inside. There we go. Little silicone ring in there for waterproofing. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to the description. Peter from Panda, out.